Welcome to CASHAPP Fixes. This is Mohamed. Please subscribe, share, and like.
We have a code on a Honda Accord, on a Honda Pilot 2006 or 7, and it's a knock sensor. The knock sensor is between two cylinder head in the middle, and it is like a speaker. It listens to the engine noise and it sends signal to the computer to advance or to perform for the engine performance. The wire is cut here. I don't want to go through, take this piece out here, push it down and work on it. I just make an empty place here, and I'm going to solder this wire here. After I solder it, I'm going to do it for the second place, the second wire. So it's very simple. Hold it like this, leave it, put a little bit there first, and then come here and put this. Put it correctly, solder it, hold it. This one here is good now. In a few seconds it will dry, and the wire is a strong, good. Like, no, put it there in the box. Okay. See, this one is perfect. I'm gonna come to the other one. I'm using the station here. That's my station. I have 850 degree for this piece, and this is very advanced. If you're doing wiring electronics, it's based on like speakers, and the heat is, technology. That's good. So you have this one, and it have a different. This one for you can hold some chips and just hold it and take it out. You can have a small, bigger than that also, like that one. Okay. And on. So now I'm gonna take this one also. If you do electrical also, you need to have something like this, adjustable, and it's very good. Now I'm gonna do the other wire. I already did this. Where is the wire here? I don't want to go through cutting this, cutting that. First I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna put it slowly and make it in this. Okay, this is good. I'm gonna do this one too. Take your time. Okay, now I'm gonna go with this, put it here. But before I put it here, do I have to put something in the middle? Yes, some wires to hold into it, or a shrink tube to hold it better. Let me see what I can put. Okay, let me just put this one here. I'm gonna come with a good idea. Give me 1 minute. I believe this is good because it supports heat also, the way it's sitting there. So I'm gonna put this one all the way inside. Keep it there. Now we solder it. Okay. See? Believe me, this one here, the bracket, and that one go on the top of the sensor. We don't need nothing, and it's good to go. Thank you for watching our electronic. I'm gonna go show you where the sensor is located. So this one. Let's go now to the car. Okay, you see here, that's the knock sensor. That's where it's located. Where is the old one? You have the old one?
No, the old one.
So
on the box.
from the car to another car is different. That's the old one, okay. So this one is this is the one that's going there, right?
Yeah.
So
What?
what happened?
No. We're supposed to put more thing inside there. Inside
No,
this
it's okay.
wire.
It's okay. Oh, this
It's
one?
going, yeah, it's going to be hard.
No, it's okay. No, it's not gonna
Yeah.
do it. This is gonna be out, hanging here, right?
Yeah, it's going to be here. You got the other thing. Let me see. You have another thing.
Okay, you can open
Okay.
and put it.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, you have a
Yeah,
hole.
it's like this.
Yeah, okay.
But right here, you need more.
So just put it in. He can open another one and put it in. He can open those. He have a lot like this. So he can open
yeah,
and
yeah,
put it. Yeah,
yeah.
okay. So this is an arc sensor.
Yeah, that's it.
And this is the bracket that's sitting here somewhere, and this connector coming to it here. This is the location of the NAC sensor in this car. Honda Pilot, what year is it?
2007.
Yeah, 2007. So to test it, you know, like you remember the test, how you test it? Knock on it. I'm gonna test that one with the old one. Later on I'm gonna take that one and test it. I test it. Yeah, Mahmoud. It's good now. Go ahead. If you have those wire, you can put it with it. You see those shield? I put that one inside, but if you have more, this, you just can put on it on the top. You know, open it and put it in. You know, like this, you're gonna open it and put it in.
Don't have those.
But this is okay, believe me.
It's okay because
Why
you
is
have
it?
You're going to be
little
hard.
test.
That's the heat all the time there.
Yeah.
That's gonna hold it.
Yeah.
Okay, anyhow. So we did that one is finished. So I'm gonna turn this off, the heater. Thank you for watching.